Hello, welcome to Nuer Online TV. Today we are going to talk about some of the Nuer language basic phrases. We have some sentence or a basic phrase in English that we are going to translate into Nuer. I prepare two way of reading some word in Nuer alphabet. This is the correct Nuer alphabet, and this is how you can read it in English pronunciation when you are writing a Nuer word using English alphabet. Okay, we can start. How are you? How are you is a form of greeting. In Nuer we say it Male. Male. That is number one. How are you? You can simply say it in Nuer language, Male. 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 Number two, in response to how are you, you can say it, I am fine. Basically, this in normal way you can, in different way you can say it, I'm fine, I'm good, but in Nuer we say Mal Migwa. Mal Migwa. Male Migwa. Male Migwa, I am fine. Male Migwa. Number three, I love you. In Nuer language we say it Hen Nwakaji. Hen Nwakaji. In another way, you can remove hen. I mean hen in Nuer. I. This I right here. It means hen. We can say it Nwakaji. If you don't want to say it Nwakaji, you can simply say it Nwakaji. In normal way of saying it in your language. Nwakaji. Nwakaji, or simply say it Nwakaji. I love you. Nwakaji in your language. Here again, number four. I love you too. I love you too. Nwakajibo. Nwakajibo. Or you can simply say it Nwakajibo. In short form, Nwakajibo. I love you too. Nwakajibo or Nwakaji. This is how you can read it in English alphabet. Nwakajibo. Nwakajibo. Number five, I hate you. Lokaji. Lokaji. I hate you. Lokaji, or simply you can say Lokaji. Lokaji or Lokaji. You can use one of these. I miss you. I miss you. Chajitim. Chajitim. Shajitim. Shajitim. I miss you. Shajitim. Shajitim. I miss you. Chajitim, or you can simply say it Shajitim. You lost. Shibat. Shibat. You lost. Shibat. Shibat. I am around. Number eight. I am around in response to you lost. I am around. Tartin. Tartin, or you can simply say it Tartin. I am around. Tartin. 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 Good morning. Number nine. Good morning. Good morning is a kind of greeting. In our language we say Male Karunwang. Good morning. Male Karunwang. Male Karunwang. Very simple. Male Karunwang. Good morning. Male Karunwang. You can put a question mark there. Good morning. If that is in a question form, you can simply put a question mark there, or you can say Male Karunwang. Good morning. Number 10. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Male Kachangdar. Male Kashangdar. Male Kashangdar. Male Kashangdar. Number 11. Good evening. Good evening. Male Katiang. Male Katiang. Very simple. Male Katiang. It means good evening. Good night. we can say it differently. There's two ways of saying this. Good night. You can say Niana Kamal or Malek Kawer, something like that, but we prepare Niana Kamal. Niana Kamal. That is all. If you have any suggestion, please drop your comment there. Thank you for following up this lesson. Bye-bye.